All right, so I took delivery of the 2015 Chevy Sonic from Auto Auction Rebuilds last night. Randy over there brought this down last night. You guys know this off of his channel, Auto Auction Rebuilds. This was a theft recovery, and it had some interesting things inside of it, but no fear, it's been completely detailed. She's looking right now. Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, nice and clean throughout. They did a good job on it. She looks really good. All right, so I'm gonna get it up the driveway, get it processed, we'll get the buyer's guides and all that stuff put on it, and get it up for sale. Alright, so part of getting it ready for sale. Very simple here in Oklahoma. All I gotta do, I just got me a folder, and then you can buy pre-made folders that have all the little different lines for writing the title numbers and the VIN numbers and the year, make, model, all that. You could do all that, that's fine. I don't. I just go with these and I just write what I need on the folder. Simple and cheap. These are our buyer's guides right here. Okay, this is front and back. Just shows as is, shows the Chevy, the VIN number, all that, year, make, model, all that good stuff. This will go in the file, and you'll have your customer sign these, and you will keep these. And at the same time, there will be a set of these that will actually go in the window of the car, and that will stay with the car. That's the customer's copy, front and back, just like that. All right, also, we got a contract form here. Basic information, nothing major, just personal information here. Name and address, signatures, driver's license number, you know. I'll get a copy of their ID, and whatever name and whatever address they put on here needs to match the person buying the vehicle, and that's where I'm going to send the title to, and that will be the name that goes on the title as well. So all that needs to be very accurate. Down here, they'll sign this showing that it is a used vehicle. That's the vehicle there. That's the VIN number. There will be the temp tag number when they get here. We'll write that down. This shows what kind of a title. In this particular situation, it is a theft recovery, not a rebuild or anything like that. But typically, I mean, it is technically a theft recovery. So I will put that on the title. They will be aware of that when they buy it, and they will sign showing that. There's the miles. They'll sign showing that they're aware of that. Down here shows that this is an as-is sale. Nothing is owed or promised after the sale. They'll sign there. They'll sign here showing that nothing's owed after the sale again. Down here they will show that they will sign showing that they're accepting the car with all faults, you know, as is. Right here they will sign this right here showing that they did do a walk around of the vehicle. They inspected the vehicle. They drove the vehicle, and they are accepting this vehicle. So they will sign a date there as well. This is trade-in information. I haven't messed with a trade-in yet. I haven't had anybody trade anything in, and I mean, I'm mostly just doing cash sales, so none of this applies. Up here we will date, and we will show the final price of the vehicle right there. Simple as that. This is literally several different forms, and when I first started this business, I had people sign. I had like each individual form that people would sign. It was like a little stack of papers. It just seemed like too much. I love these forms. It's everything on one form. They just go through, sign and initial and date, and away it goes. So very simple with these. These will cost you around, I want to say it's like $50 a pack, and it comes in a stack of them. They'll last you for a little bit, but very convenient. I do like these a lot. So let's get the buyer's guide in the window. Let's get all this stuff in the file, and hopefully somebody will come buy this thing here in a little while. All right, so we got that in there now. She's officially up for sale. Ad is posted, and I've already got somebody making an appointment wanting to come look at it this evening, and they said that they are bringing cash. So I don't think we're gonna have any trouble selling this one, you guys. My phone blew up soon as I posted it. So a lot of interest in this one. I think she's gonna go quick. And I tell you what, whoever gets this one, they're getting a good one. This is a nice car. I wish I could keep this one, man. This is a great car. I would love to drive this thing around for a little while. But she's a hot one. Everybody wants it, so she's out of here. We are not gonna play games on this one, man. Somebody wants it. They're on the way with money. She's gone. Man, this is about the only thing I could fault it for right here. It's got this little spot here. I was gonna see if I could maybe pull out on that a little bit. I get my hands up in behind here, which I should be able to. Oh yeah, there we go. See if we can at least relax it enough for this to pop back in. I don't know. Well, we got it a little bit out anyway. At least it's not all crammed in anymore. All right, so guys, on the way to look at the Chevy Sonic. We're asking $39.95 for it. Let's see if he buys it. All right, there's one last look at it. Made the dent a little bit better. It's not great, that's for sure, but I'm not a paintless dent guy. That's all she's getting. But hey, great car. Very good shape. All right, I think this is our guy right here. You guys wish me luck, man. Hopefully we'll sell this thing. All right, everybody, there goes the Chevy Sonic. Man, that thing didn't last 5 minutes, I swear. That was a quickie. So all right, man, the Sonic is out of here. Sold it for $4,000. I posted it $39.95, and he tried to get me to $35, and he was like, no, I'm not budging. I'm staying at the $4,000 because I'm convinced that even the $4,000 was too cheap, you guys. I think we sold her too cheap, but we didn't have to sit on it. She's out of here. I mean, almost instantly, that car, it couldn't get out of here fast enough. So anyway, on to the next one. It probably has something to do with that sweet paintless dent repair I did on that fender. I guarantee you that sold it, man. They took one look at that and was like, we gotta have this. All right, you guys, there goes the Cobalt SS. She's out of here. Boy, she's a low rider. I'll tell you what, she don't do very good on this driveway. But she's gone. But hey, there she goes. We did $4,500 on it, and there's Randy with the Jeep Liberty popping up right at the same time. Good timing, man. All right, we're taking delivery of the Jeep Liberty from Auto Auction Rebuilds. Got Randy in here.
Sucker!
Got Austin back there. There you are back there. All right, we're gonna drive this thing. Oh yeah, that doesn't. Yeah, I see what you're saying. That does not feel good at all.
It's rough, man.
Let's give it a shot. He says it pops out of gear. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with no hands.
Here.
There we go. Yeah. All right, Randy's gonna hold it in gear.
I'll shift it for you.
Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. All right, give me a shift. I got to hold the camera and drive at the same time. Here we go. Are you holding it in gear right now?
No, she's fine now.
All right, shift me again.
Wait, is that the right gear? No, yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
All right, so it just pops out of first and reverse.
Yep.
All right. It doesn't drive too bad considering this road sucks.
It rides good. It's just all of the transmission stuff seems a little bit off.
Yeah. All right. Well, I was thinking maybe synchros. You guys leave a comment below when they want to pop out of gear like that. First and reverse on this one.
Yep.
I'm thinking synchros. What are y'all thinking? And is that hard to do on one of these? Because I've never done it. Give me one more shift, Randy. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, man. So we're cruising along. That don't feel bad.
No.
That's pretty good right there.
And on the highway at 70, man, she's in 5th and 6th gear. Nice and smooth.
All right, we're gonna run this thing around a little bit. If anything exciting happens, we'll let you know. All right, so Randy came just in time, perfect time. It saved the day, man. I don't have to walk down the driveway now. Just got took delivery of the 05 Jeep Liberty, and we're gonna get this thing ready for sale. She's got a little bit of an issue, and I'm gonna have to do some research on it and see if I can fix that or not, because it does try to pop out of gear. So anyway, we'll look at it. If not, we'll sell it as is. We'll price it accordingly, and of course we will let the customer know. I mean, there's no hiding it. I mean, it pops right out of gear as soon as you try to let your foot off let the clutch out, you know, a little bit. It pops right out. So anyway, as a matter of fact, it already popped out. Let me get it back in gear. There we go. Oh, no, I'll have to hold it in gear. All right, there we go. So anyway, we'll get it down here. We'll probably wash it up and see what we can do about it. It may be nothing. I don't know. Oh, that don't sound good. We'll take a little look at the outside of it while we got it here. I mean, the body of it looks fine. It's not beat up. I don't even see hail damage on it. You know, I see a little dent and ding here and there. Nothing major. The tires are in great shape, and they match all the way around, so that's good. A little messed up on the window tint there, you know. I mean, these older vehicles, that's normal. But yeah, I mean, spare tire, decent paint, decent body. What more do you need? There we go. Let's see if we can get in here. Let's take a look at the inside here. She needs a good little cleaning, but she's not all tore up or anything, you know. I mean, this thing was in good, this thing was all cleaned up and had that little transmission issue straightened out. You could probably get at least $2 grand for it, I would think. I mean, AC blows cold, radio works, windows roll up and down. And what more do you want for a couple grand, right? I mean, the nearest I can tell, you're just gonna kind of pull this boot down. I think you're supposed to just push this down and kind of twist, and then it'll come out, and don't lose the spring that comes out of it. Get our trim tool in here. That pops off like super easy. Let's shift this into neutral. There we go. I'm gonna see if we can't pull this, get this out of the way. Not tearing it up too bad, I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. All right, there we have it. All right, that thing is junk for sure. I mean, look at this. It's disintegrated. I mean, it's like, feels like jelly. It's so bad. Huh. Dang, that's in bad shape. All right, so we're gonna look into this, see what's under here. All right, so anyway, like I said, we're gonna look into this and see what exactly we can do about it. I mean, it's covered with oil. Even this thing is like soaked with gear oil, so I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to look into that. I don't think that, I mean, the boot's not gonna cause our issue, I wouldn't think. I mean, that's not causing any, it's not in the way of nothing. So that's not our issue. But that is definitely disintegrated, and it's super oily. It's like it's coated with gear oil, so I think this might be leaking. I mean, it's obviously leaking. And I mean, what if this thing is just low on gear oil? That'd be a trip, wouldn't it? We'll check the gear oil, things like that, you know, make sure none of that's too low. And besides that, you probably check it anyway, especially when you discover something leaking like this is. I mean, that's a pretty bad leak. All right, so got a little work cut out for us on that one. We'll get it figured out, though. We may figure out that it's going to cost too much to fix, and we just got to send it on down the road, because it won't be worth fixing to me if it's going to cost $500 or $600 for the part. And I've heard that's how much that particular part costs, and that there's even a chance that that won't even fix the problem, that you could go through all that and find out that the transmission is just junk. So I don't know, we'll mess with it later. That's another video, another time. But for now, check it out, man. In case you missed it, or in case you haven't heard, my boy's got another video out on the Copart Beamer. This car picked up 200 bucks, auto auction rebuilds. Got it out of Copart for like a couple $100, and it was a basket case. He did a little work to it, I've done a little work to it, and now my boy, he has done some work to it as well. For those of you who don't know, he bought it and it's his now, and he's been messing with it. He's dropped it down a little bit, and he has done some interior work on his latest video. You guys are gonna want to go check that out. Don't miss it. It turned out really good. I'm very proud of him. Little father-son project that one was. I got out there and helped him on the weekend, and we got it knocked out. I'm pretty impressed, man. I like it. I think it looks great. Very good upgrade for this old car. This car is really coming along. So anyway, that was a fun little project, and I'm just going to come out and say it, man. It turned out really nice. I'm pretty proud of us. I think we made a good team, and I think we knocked it out of the ballpark. And you guys are going to make sure you want to, watch the whole video all the way to the end, because you never know, man. It might have turned out a little different than what you think. Hey, if by chance any of you guys are wanting to keep track of this old car and see just what becomes of it, keep track of this old Mateco paint job. It was like a $300 Mateco paint job. See if the paint's still sticking, see how long it stays on there, if it comes off at all. Follow this channel, man. Low Love Life, that is my son's channel. He's working on this and an old Chevy Love over there on his channel, and you guys don't want to miss it. If you guys want to see a young kid straight out of high school, went to Votech, learned a few things, and apply his skills, and he's still learning every day. And dad gets out there and helps him every once in a while, and his projects are coming along. So go check it out, man. You want to see a kid wrenching on his ride, dude. Low Love Life, link in the description. You don't want to miss it, man. And with that, I'm going to get on out here, you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate all you guys watching, and that lets YouTube know that we got a good thing going on over here and that you guys like it. That gets them to promote the videos. The more the videos get promoted, the more the channel grows, the better content I could give out to you guys. It's a win-win for everybody. So please do that. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget my Instagram, link in the description as always. Go on Facebook, hit me up on my Weird Beard Facebook, and I will accept your friend request. You guys get sneak peeks on Facebook, and you'll get some sneak peeks on Instagram as well. So you guys be sure to get on over there. But hey, I'm out of here. We got to go. We got a lot to do. I'll see you guys next time.